Last year, MLCS Woodworking moved its headquarters to Southampton, PA, where they've reopened the MLCS Woodworkers Showroom. The showroom provides customers with hundreds of router bits, all backed with the MLCS Satisfaction Guarantee. Shelves are stocked with customer favorites, like the Merrill Band Clamp or the new and improved Spline Sled Pro. You'll also find a huge selection from the brands you know. Triton items, available in package deals, 4/8 saw blades in a variety of sizes, ton of new items from Miles Craft, amazing MLCS router table packages exclusively through the showroom. The Raycon selection is bigger than ever, now with our recently expanded inventory. The showroom is also a proud distributor of Penn State Industries, where you can find all the turning supplies and accessories you need. Pen blank selections cover an entire wall, even lathes. We've got it all. Inventory is at its fullest and ready for our second annual open house. Stop by September 24th for one-day-only savings. Watch live pen turning demos and new this year, carving demonstrations. And don't forget about the wood slabs. Ask the professionals and chat with fellow woodworkers from 8:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the MLCS Woodworkers Showroom, located at 1065 Industrial Blvd in Southampton, PA, minutes from the I-95 and PA Turnpike. See you there!